So, because he is only taking out the blue car and keeping it, he's going to put the other car back. And he'll have a combination of 2 cars. So, combo of 2. Now, will this work? He takes out a blue car first, then a green car. Yes or no? Yes. He takes out a blue car first and then a red car. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What's the other kind of car he didn't take out here? Blue and blue. I need 2 blues. So this is wrong.
Whoa.
Again, he has 2 blue race cars, 1 green, 1 red, and he's taking out 2 at a time. If he takes out a blue, no, they don't have to be in order. If he takes out a blue, then he's not putting it back in there. So then what are his other options? So, right here, he's going to take out a blue car and a blue car. Does that work? Yes, he's got 2 blue cars. He's going to take out a blue car and a green car. Does that work? Yes, because he still has the blue car out, and he put the other blue one back in, but now he's taking out a green car. He's taking out a green car and then a red car. What did we say he has to start with? Blue. So is this correct? Nope. Look here. He's taking out a blue car and a blue car. Is that correct? Yes. He's taking out a blue car and a green car. Is that correct? And he's taking out a blue car and a red car. Is that correct? Yes. These are all correct. Why is D wrong?
Because you take out blue, red. They take out blue, blue, blue. Yes, it is.
Because they don't start with blue right here.
I'm feeling blue right now.
Now, I have to reiterate that this one is wrong because I think I told one class earlier that this was correct. But what I was missing was he's taking out a blue and another car. So he has to have blue for each one to start with, blue, 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 and then one of each of the other ones to continue with. Nadia, real quick, has 2 pair of jeans, 1 pair of khakis, and 2 pairs of black pants. She wears to school. Oh, that statement was said wrong. Nadia has 2 pair of jeans, 1 pair of khakis, and 2 pairs of black pants she wears to school. She also has 2 red shirts, 2 white shirts, and 1 gray shirt from which to choose. It sounds like she wears uniforms. Nadia wears jeans and a gray shirt on Monday. Listen. If she does not wear a clothing item more than once during a week, that means she cannot wear jeans and she cannot wear a gray shirt again. Which list represents the sample space for Nadia's outfit on Tuesday? So, she takes off a pair of jeans. Now she has 1 pair of jeans. 1 pair of khakis. How many pairs of black pants does she have left? 2. But she can still, or she can only wear 1 pair of pants at a time, per the combinations for probability. How many shirts does she have left to wear? What colors? 2 red and 2 white. So how many different options do I have here for pants? Pay attention. How many options do I have for pants? 3. I just circled them. How many options do I have for shirts? No. 2. What must I do there? How do I put them together? Multiplying. You get 6 combinations. Which answer shows me 6?
1, 2.
That is correct. J. Okay, this needs to go in your notebook. Glue it in. It is notes, so you can see what to do when you get an assignment later.
I could have wrote this in pen.
Understand. Okay, Miguel. Miguel tosses a coin 3 times. The list represents the sample space of the tosses. So he's got how many letters in each combination? 3, because he's tossing it
3
times. Make sense of that. Now, which diagram? Oh, pause. How many different combinations do I have?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 combinations. Which diagram shows the same information as the list? So for starters, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 combinations, right? But what are the combinations? I got to make a list. Same way I just made a list back here. So this was blue and black, blue and khaki. So then this is heads, heads. Look at the letters. Heads, heads, heads. What's this one? Heads, heads. Do I have 2 triple H's up here? So is this my answer?
No.
Negative. Okay, down here, count the outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I need?
8.
Is this correct? No, this only has 4 combinations. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and this also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you mean order? I don't have to go in a specific order. I just have to make sure that this tree matches this list. So, what is the first combination? H, H, H. What's the next combination? H, H, T. Am I going all right so far?
Yes.
All right, what's the next combination? H, T, T. What's the next one here?
H, T, H.
H, T, H. So far, so good? These next 2 match these 2. Now the next one, I'm looking for what? Okay, I can do THH. Is that up here? This one right here. What's the next one? THT. Is that up here? So far, I'm doing well. Now, what about TTH? TTH. And then the last one? TTT. So, this could be it. Now, down here, what do I have? HHH. Then what do I have here? HHH again. Can I repeat? No. So it's got to be C. Make sure that you are writing this down. Number 2. There's scrap paper on the back table. Okay, then you need to go ask her really quickly. The list shows all possible outcomes for which experiment. I'm sorry I'm interrupting your important conversations with some education. Let me shut up, since y'all want to talk. Just because I move on to another question does not mean you have time to talk. This concept is challenging and y'all got to pay attention. So the set contains heads and heads as a combination, heads and tails as another combination, tails and tails as another combination, and tails and heads. What do these 2 letters in each combination mean? Well, yes, H is for heads, T is for tails, but why is this a combination? Why is this a combination? Why is this a combination? And why is this a combination? Because they're pairs. He did what? He flipped it twice. 2 times. Take that hood off. I'm done with that question. I've already figured it out. Okay? Moving on to number 3. Andy's little brother has a toy box that contains 2 blue race cars, 1 green, and 1 red race car. If Andy removes 2 race cars from the toy box without looking makes it probability, and he does not replace it. That's important. Which best represents the sample space for the cars Andy removes? So I need 2 cars just to make it a little more tricky. That's why he doesn't replace it. So I need pairs. What are the possible options? Before looking at them, what is he taking out first? Nope, first.
Andy removed the blue car first.
Okay, so that's what he's doing first. Blue first. That's one option. And then what can he take out after he takes out a blue car?
Green.
A green car. Okay, that's one combination of 2 cars. The next probability event or trial, what is he going to take out first? Blue, and then what else? Red. Sure. The next trial, what does he take out first? Blue. What can he take out second?
Blue.
Another blue. Why?
Oh, because there's 2 blue.
There are 2 blue cars. So, is A an option?
No.
Nope. Is B an option?
No.
Why not?
Blue, 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 green, blue.
Because you can't start with the green. Good. Is C an option?
Yes.
Blue, 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 green, blue, red. Why is D wrong?
Blue, blue is at the end.
Because it starts with the green. I can still have blue, blue.
You told us it can't start at the end.
No, I didn't. You should have chosen C for number 3.
We did, but you said we can't.
No, I didn't say a specific order. The answer was C, was it not? So why are we having this conversation? Nadia has 2 pairs of jeans, 1 pair of khakis, and 2 pairs of black pants she wears to school. No, it was the 2 of them over there. All right, she has 2 red shirts as well, 2 white shirts, and 1 gray shirt from which to choose. She wears jeans and a gray shirt on Monday. If she does not wear a clothing item more than once during the week, which list represents the sample space for Nadia's outfit on Tuesday? So, what does she have left? What can she not wear? She can't wear gray, and she can't wear... Nope, she didn't wear black. She can't wear one of the other pair of jeans, but she can wear... Can she still wear a pair of jeans, though, since she has 2 pairs? All right, so she's got jeans. What else can she wear? Khakis. What else can she wear? Black pants. 1, 2, 3 things. What color shirts can she wear? White or what? What color? Red. Good, ladies. So, I've got 3 bottoms and 2 shirts. What do I do with 3 and 2? Good. What 3 times 2? 6 combinations. Which answer shows you 6?